This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Front shock assembly, two-wheel drive models, replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards and place the hood prop into the hole on the hood. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts. Place a floor jack under the front frame rail, raise the front of the vehicle, then support it with a jack stand placed under the frame rail. Remove the front wheel lug nuts and remove the wheels. Support the lower control arm with a floor jack. Remove the strut tower cover, if equipped, then loosen but do not remove the 4 strut upper mounting nuts. Remove the nut and detach the stabilizer bar link from the strut. Detach the wheel speed sensor harness from the strut. Mark the location of the strut to the steering knuckle so that it can be put back into the same location. Unscrew the nuts securing the strut to the steering knuckle, then tap the bolts out with a hammer and separate the strut from the steering knuckle. Remove the 4 strut upper mounting nuts. Support the strut, then slowly lower the floor jack until it can be removed from the vehicle. Once the strut is removed, make sure the floor jack is left in place or support the steering knuckle with a sturdy wire to prevent it from falling too far outward. Disconnect the wire preventing the knuckle from falling outward. Install the strut over the steering knuckle and rotate it up and through the holes in the strut tower. Then align the bottom of the strut with the steering knuckle. Push the strut through the holes in the strut tower and hold it in place while installing new upper mounting nuts. Tighten the upper mounting nuts securely at this time. Raise the floor jack until the holes in the strut align with the holes in the steering knuckle, and drive the bolts into the strut and steering knuckle using a hammer. Verify the strut is aligned with the marks that were made, then install the nuts and tighten the nuts securely at this time. Install the stabilizer bar link to the strut and tighten the nut securely at this time. Install the wheel speed sensor harness to the strut. Using the floor jack, raise the knuckle assembly to simulate the ride height and hold it in this position. Tighten the strut lower mounting nuts to the specified torque setting. Tighten the stabilizer bar link nut to the specified torque setting. Tighten the strut upper mounting nuts to the specified torque setting using a crow's foot adapter on the torque wrench. Remove the floor jack. Repeat this procedure for the remaining strut assembly. Use the floor jack to raise the vehicle, remove the jack stand, and lower the vehicle to the ground.